Ah, Alfred birds. Ah, ah. God, I got birds in my house. I had snakes, but now I got birds. Ah, get out! Look at my poor cat. He's like dinner. Oh, get that thing out of here. Ah, get it. My cat wants to eat it. Get it, kitty. Oh my god, if I open this door, it'll attack me. Ah! Oh no. Oh god. Oh, oh, oh. Yay! Oh. How am I going to get this thing out of here? It's going to attack me. Oh my god. I just love it. My little cat just like, oh, dinner. He's like, how can I get in? The bird wants out. Oh Jesus. Well, we're gonna try to open the door and ah, just don't come towards me. Oh, oh, okay. You gonna? Oh, oh, it's gone. Oh, that was